Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add friends on eFootball. Now you cannot add friends on eFootball because there is no such thing as adding friend. You can only invite them to play on a match. So if you invite them to play on a match, you can play a 1v1 together. But the moment the match is over, you're done. You're not going to add someone using their username. So to play a 1v1 or to invite a friend in a match, just click on match at the bottom. And over here, once you click on the dream team, you want to click on friend match. Over here, you need to click on create 1v1 match room. Once you do that, if you want to set a password for your room, you can turn it on, but I don't want to, so I will click on create. Once you click on create, it's going to start creating a room. Once you create a room, you just want to invite your friend in that room, and once your friend joins that room, he can start playing. Now for your friend to join the room, he needs to get this room number. So this room number over here in my screen, 068173999, I need to share it with my friend. So what my friend needs to do after he receives the code is, my friend needs to go on the match section, the dream match section. From the dream match section, he needs to go on the friend match, and then he need to click on search match room, and the number I gave him, he need to paste that number over here, click on OK and click on search. Once he search for it, my room is going to be displayed to him, and once he joins the room, I can play the 1v1 match with him. So that is how we guys can add friend in your match to play against each other. You cannot add them. This is the only working method. So I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.